In today's video, we will continue to share on business management concepts. Join us in this learning journey.
Every office, from spirited startups to stalwart corporate behemoths, encounters its unique set of internal challenges. Prominently, miscommunication among team members generates inefficiencies, muddling the harmony of our workplace rhythm. The relentless march of time further strains our capacity, as poor time management pushes us perilously close to missed deadlines, leaving projects hanging and ambitions unfulfilled. A casual demeanor may inadvertently undermine our professionalism, weakening the cultural pillars essential to our collaborative environment. Moreover, the specter of confidentiality breaches poses a severe threat, jeopardizing not just mutual trust, but the very essence of our workplace integrity. In confronting these challenges, we embark on a quest not just to identify weaknesses, but to forge a pathway toward incorporating respect, punctuality, and confidentiality into the core of our professional ethos. This journey invites us to transform these common obstacles into opportunities for fostering a more efficient, respectful, and secure office culture. Our quest to nurture a flourishing office culture is navigated by adopting practical protocols, treating identified challenges as catalysts for cultivating a respectful and efficient environment. The cornerstone of this transformation is clear communication. By fostering open and effective dialogue, we minimize misunderstandings and promote a collaborative spirit. Mastery over time management transforms looming deadlines into achievable milestones, instilling confidence and enhancing productivity. Professionalism, as a testament to our dedication, influences our interactions and task management, reflecting our collective commitment to excellence. Central to our ethos is the rigorous protection of confidentiality, a practice that cements trust and safeguards our collective integrity. As you will see, these principles are actionable, not merely aspirational, leading to measurable improvements and a dynamic office ecosystem where challenges are met with smart, innovative responses. Thus, the adoption of these protocols marks a significant step towards transforming everyday tasks into remarkable accomplishments. In our pursuit of a more efficient and engaging office landscape, we've delineated the obstacles impeding progress and the viable solutions for office transformation. Recognizing and enacting these solutions is the initial step. Sustained success hinges on our unwavering dedication to these principles daily. The impact of adherence to protocols of communication, time management, professionalism, and confidentiality is profound, forming the bedrock of a culture that prizes respect, efficiency, and security above all. Real-world anecdotes from diverse workplaces underscore the positive change that's achievable when we commit to these standards. These aren't merely guidelines, but the pillars upon which a thriving office culture is built, distinguishing between a workplace mired in challenges and one that navigates them with dexterity. As we conclude this narrative, we invite our audience to not only apply these practices in their professional lives, but also to advocate for their adoption workplace-wide. Let us collectively strive for an office environment that exemplifies harmony and efficiency, setting the stage for a future bright with promise.
Thank you for viewing this video, and we hope you enjoyed this. Do give us some support by liking and sharing this video. Stay tuned for future updates. Happy microlearning! Thank you for viewing this video, and we hope you enjoyed this. Do give us some support by liking and sharing this video. Stay tuned for future updates. Happy microlearning!